Guys, you can use an egg. An egg is enough for the recipe. You don't need two, but I didn't want to run out of the liquid mixture. Hello there, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be making some coated peanuts today with just a cup of peanuts. So you can actually double or triple this recipe. I'm going to go down to the introduction of the ingredients. So we have a cup of all-purpose flour here, a cup of peanuts. They are raw. So 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 eggs, and some vanilla just for flavor. And we have some vegetable oil here, some milk, and some sugar, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. So guys, let me keep the ingredients aside and we start. So the first thing we're gonna do is to get a 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and crack 2 eggs into the sugar. You can actually use 1 egg. We just want to make sure that the mixture is enough or the peanuts are well coated. So I'm going to add some vanilla, just about a 1/4 teaspoon. I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. And then I'm going to mix. Mix just till it's well combined. I'm going to add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. This is enough. And I'm going to add about a tablespoon of milk. This is optional, guys. Mix everything up till well combined or well mixed. Keep this aside for later use. Remember our cup of flour. So this is 1 cup of flour, and I'm going to add to this a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. And I'm going to mix. Mix. Make sure it's well mixed and your baking powder is well incorporated into your flour. So when you're sure it's well mixed, keep this aside also. We have our egg mixture, our flour mixture, and then our peanuts. So let the games begin. So I got a little container like this. You can actually use a bowl. I'm so in love with this container because it has a lid. That's going to ease my shaking process, you know. You got to shake. So I'm going to put my peanuts into the bottom, to the container. And what we're going to do is, we're going to take a tablespoon, get a tablespoon and a half or just a tablespoon of the mixture, of the wet mixture, onto the peanuts. You can actually get a tablespoon or 2. Shake. Get a tablespoon or 2 full of your flour, sprinkle over your peanuts. Shake. In a clockwise manner, you know, you want your peanuts to be well coated. So I'm going to go ahead again and add 1.5 tablespoon of the egg mixture. Shake. So we're going to get approximately 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of our flour. Sprinkle everything on the peanuts and shake. So I have a lid here that's going to help me in shaking. So alternate between your liquid mixture and flour mixture. So guys, continue to do that and I'll see you towards the end. So some strength is needed here. As I earlier said, you can use 1 egg for this 1 cup of flour. So if you notice some aggregations, You can actually go in and work them out by separating them before you reach the final stage. Oops. So I want to show you guys now how beautiful they look. This is beautiful, guys. So I'm going to shake this again for approximately 5 minutes and then we get to frying. See you later. So guys, these are the final results. I had to send it through a sieve to eliminate some flour. So we're going to go ahead and fry. Make sure you move your coated peanuts around to avoid burning. Fry on low medium heat, guys. Watch out, guys, when your peanuts turn golden brown, take them out immediately from the oil. So thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.